How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, do you know what we are going to do today? We are going to do one activity. And what is the name of that activity? Chlorophyll activity, right? Chlorophyll activity. Okay. So children, what do we mean by chlorophyll? So chlorophyll is a pigment which is present in plants and it is where it is present in the leaves, right? So you all can see children green leaves, right? Why they are green in color? Because they have chlorophyll pigment which is green in color. Okay children, so now we are going to do chlorophyll activity. For that we require one drawing sheet. Yes, you can use any shape or any size, A4 size, A3 size. You can take any white sheet. Even you can take any drawing sheet also. If this is not available, then you can use your drawing paper also. Okay children, now first of all, what we are going to do, you are going to make tree first. Okay, you can make 2 trees, you can make 3 trees also. So first of all, on the left side of the paper, or if you want to make it in the center, you can make it in the center also. Okay, this way you are going to make one tree. Similarly, you can make one more tree over here. Right? Now what we are going to do children, we are going to take leaves, okay, which is green in color. It can be small also and it can be big also. Okay children, whichever leaf is available that you can use. And we'll also require color pencils and glitter pens. If you don't have color pencils or glitter pens, you can use crayons also. Okay children. Now what we are going to do, we are going to crush these leaves. You can take one leaf, you can take 2 leaves also. We are going to crush this, and what we are going to do, we are going to rub this. So children, as you all can see, when you are going to rub these leaves, it is going to color your tree green, right? Why it is happening? Because they have chlorophyll pigment inside. Yes, you can take another leaf also children. You can take any type of leaves children. I have taken leaves of some plants, right? You can take spinach also, you can take methi also. See children, look at your tree children, it is green in color, right? Similarly, you are going to rub the leaves and you can color it green. Yes, so you don't have to use any colors for this children. You can simply use these leaves and you can make it green. So this is called as chlorophyll painting. Now children, you have already used these leaves and you have colored it green. So let's show some creativity. Now it depends on you what you want to make. So children, what you all can do, we can make mountains like this, right? Then if you want, you can make small grasses also and you can complete this picture. You can make natural scenery, yes or no? Even you can make a small river. You can even make one sun. Even you can show birds also, children. Okay, so this is how, children, we can relate, right? We have related science with art. Yes or no, children? Yes, so this is called as chlorophyll painting, and you have made mountains also. You can make river also, and you can make one small house also, children. Yes. Now it depends on you what you all want to make. You can show your creativity, whatever you want to draw, you can draw. Right, children? And then you can use your color pencils, or if you don't have color pencils, children, you can use your crayons also. Okay? This is how we are going to make. Now, I hope, children, you all have understood that what do we mean by chlorophyll. Yes, it is a pigment which is present. Leaves. And leaves are going to prepare food for plants. And they are going to go through which process? They are going to, this process is called photosynthesis. Yes or no? Yes, children, one more thing. If you want to make outline, you can use black color pencil, or you can, if you have black glitter pen, you can use that also. Okay? If you want to make outline, children, you can do this. Even you can use brown color also. If you all have, you can make brown color outline also. Okay? So here, whatever you want to show, children, that you can show. And if, yes, here leaves are, or the trees are green in color, you can make green color outline with this color pencil. You can make outline, right? Even with your crayon color also. Right? Here also we will do the same. These grasses will be also green. And use slide color also. And now, this is a river, you can color it blue. Just a minute. Even other than trees, other than mountains, you want to make anything else, children, that also you can make. Here you can show your own creativity. Okay, and we make this sun. And we'll also use yellow color. Even you can make this house also, children. You can make outline like this. And see, our scenery is ready. Yes or no, children? So you all have done chlorophyll painting, and along with that, you have also made what? Scenery. Yes, children, I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye, children.